In this video, we're going to learn how to connect Google Analytics 4 with your website for your data tracking and analysis. So first of all, we're going to do it with Google Tag Manager because this is the Google Tag Manager tutorial, and Google Tag Manager will give you much more flexibility to set up the tracking event and everything. So from this sense, I'm gonna use Google Tag Manager. So you have to first of all you have to go to your Google Analytics account, and I have shown you that how to create Google Tag Manager account. So you can find it over here. So this is the measurement ID. We have to go to Google Tag Manager account. So this is the very fresh Google Tag Manager account. I've created it. If you want to see how to create Google Tag Manager account, then you can go over here. Look, there is nothing. So first of all, we have to go over here, and then using the Google tag, we have to, we have to install the measurement ID throughout our website. So I have to paste it over here. So since it'll take a lot of time, every time I have to use it, so I'm gonna use it as a constant variable. So there is something like, because I'm gonna use it again and again. So here we go, here we go, here we go. This is it's a constant. I can say GA4 measurement ID. Okay, boom. And then GA4 configuration. So I have to do something like this over here. Send page view. I have to keep it false. If I keep it true, then it will give me a page view event automatically. But I'm gonna send Google page view event to my Google Analytics manually. So I have to select it over here. Yeah, done. And then I have to go to Google Analytics, and then Google. I have to give. Now I'm gonna set up page view event. So yeah, measurement ID, and now I am going to give page view event. Yeah. So I have to trigger it on all pages, and then I have to give the name GA4 page view. Okay. Now click on save, and then I have to click on save and go to the data display debug view to see that whether our data is passing or not. So to do that, I have to go to preview. Boom. And then I have to give my website URL. Look, everything is firing like page view for all pages, and GA4 fires. So I am going to see it over here that whether my GA4 is getting data or not. So let's see. Yes, GA4 is getting page view event, right? So I'm gonna go another page just to see that whether our data is passing or not. So it'll give me another page view event. As you can see, one, and now we will see two page view event, right? Because we have visited two pages. So first visit one, because this is the first user is visiting this page again and again. So yeah, so let's see that page location. So this is the juice one, and I'm on the juice one, right? So this is how we can connect our Google Analytics 4 with our Google with our website. And in the next video, I'm gonna share with you how to set up GA4 e-commerce tracking for your business. So stay tuned till the end, and please subscribe to my channel if you find this video is helpful. So thank you for watching this video.